is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face.
Hey everybody, good morning. Just woken up. Beautiful morning this morning at Randall Beach, sort of southern Tasmania, sort of just south, probably an hour and a half south of Hobart. Absolutely glorious day. Just on my way back to the van. I'll show you guys around. This is what we woke up to this morning. Have a look at this.
I feel the warmth of your skin, just the touch of your hand.
What I thought I'd do as soon as we've got a nice day is I thought haven't really shown you guys our van yet. So I'll give you a quick tour of our van. The story with this van is we headed down to Hobart one day and we were talking about taking a holiday. We weren't sure if we were going to go in hotels or go in a tent or hire a camper van or something like that. And just as we were talking about it, this van drove straight past us with a for sale sign on it. It actually overtook us at 100 kilometres an hour and it had $1,000 on it. So we waved them down. We looked like bloody idiots. We waved them down, didn't we, Angela?
We did.
Yeah, we waved them down. We told him what our story was and we offered him $800 and he accepted it, and so I'll give you a tour of what we've done. We stripped all the seats out and we built it up. We tried to do it on the cheap so that you know, like scavenging stuff and donations and stuff like that, and it's turned out pretty good. We did all the work ourselves. So I'll start in the front. So this is the front. We haven't long gotten up. So our bags are still there. So he ended up buying this. It's a pull-out awning. We got this for $50 off a Facebook site. And then we got the roof racks here. We got the roof racks off Angela's mother. They're really old, but they did the trick. The rubber on them are all perished, so we just went to shiploads and got these. How much were these, Angela? $1 or something? Yeah, $1.50 or something each these were, so we put these on. We spray painted the two back windows, as you can see. Spray painted those. Both sides, spray painted the windows. Angela had some old curtains. She did a really good job. She cut them up. I helped you a little bit, yeah, but I mean, you did all the sewing. And she sewed up the curtains for the van and they came up really good. Then for lighting, one day she was in shiploads once again and she came across these real nice little lights here. They're actually dimmable. They run off battery, so we didn't have to do any wiring. They light the place up really good at night. So we've got two in the front. We've also got one on the side up here. They work really good. She hasn't even taken that one out of the packet. You can see just there how bright they are. They were only, how much were they? $5 each. We've also got another one up here. Here's another one of Angela's curtains. Another one up there somewhere. There it is. Works really good. We've got all this melamine. We scavenged all this. We went skip binning. We did. True story. See? I showed you. All this sort of stuff we had from, each of us both had from previous lives that we sort of put together and made up all this. Angela used to be a hairdresser, so she's donated these drawers for us, which have turned out really well. So everything's in there, as you can see. Little basket for our plates and pots and pans and shit like that. Another little basket. Bit of a mess at the moment because we've just had breakfast. 20 litres of water. At the moment we've been on this, last night was our second night, so we've only used about 10 litres, so that's good. Beauty of doing this sort of setup is we can actually, as you can see in other movies I've made, you can actually take the stove away and put it on a barbecue area. what we do is we have a table outside so we can eat. Look at the view that we get to eat at some days. Isn't that beautiful? Self-contained bathroom and toilet, as you can see. No, just kidding, guys. So, have I got Vegemite on my face?
Yeah, doing a cement rinse.
Do you want to lick it off?
I want to wipe it off.
Oh, she's going to wipe the Vegemite off. There? You could have told me before I started filming. That's good now? Thank you, darling. So, the timber for the bedding, I actually went out the back of a couple of shops one morning. There's old pallets and all that laying out the back, so I got my handsaw out and cut it in half so it would fit in the van. Storage underneath, as you can see. So we've been travelling like this, but it can fold up into like a bed. Not a bed, a sofa. It can fold up into a sofa. At the back down the bottom here, got a little bit of a shelf for stuff. Nice tidy storage system, as you can see. Yeah, and on the front we have a fishing rod holder. Yeah, so the fishing rod holder works good, but then I forgot to put some fishing rods in it, didn't I? And look where we've come to, you know, ideal spot for fishing. Look at that. Yeah. So anyway, like day 3 of our travel, second night last night, everything seems to be working good, doesn't it?
It's brilliant, yeah.
It's brilliant.
Awesome.
We're both happy with the way it's working. So we'll see you on our travels. We'll probably see you around. Today I think we're going to head to Cygnet. It snowed last night, but we're still going to go to Cygnet and then hopefully down to Hastings Caves where there's some hot springs. So if it is snowing, the hot springs will be lovely. They'll be really nice. So okay, then we'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.